Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make snacks at your home. This snacks is actually onion ring and which is really tasty guys. So I'm going to show you that how you can prepare at home. Okay guys, so here I'm taking maida, 1 cup of maida. You will also need corn flour. So here I'm taking 1, 2 and 3. 3 tablespoons of corn flour you will need. Okay friends, so I'm taking here curd 2, 3. You will also need curd 3 tablespoon. Mix it well. And now I'm taking here red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and I'm going to put salt according to your taste. You will also need turmeric, half tablespoon of turmeric. Here I am taking baking powder, half tablespoon of baking powder, and here I am taking ajwain for good flavor. Okay guys, now what you have to do, mix this batter with the water. You don't need too much thick and thin. You need a little thick consistency. So just mix with the help of whisk. Guys, you can see this is the perfect batter for our crispy onion ring. So can you see the batter? So now we will keep aside for a few minutes, and till the time I'm just going to cut my onion. So guys, I'm taking medium size of onion and just going to cut this. Hey guys, so as you can see, pan is heated. Now what I have to do, I'm going to take a maida here and just put onion into this and coat the onion very well. So what you have to do, like so. Now dip into a batter like so. Coat it very well with the batter. And directly put in our breadcrumbs. Yes guys, you will also need breadcrumb, which I have prepared at my home. So dip into batter. And put into our oil. Hey my friends, so as you can see, my crispy, tasty, healthy onion is absolutely ready, onion ring. And it's very crispy guys, seriously I can't tell you how much crispy it is. And you can just serve this with your tomato ketchup or tea and enjoy your snacks in evening. It's really healthy guys, and I can't tell you how much I'm excited to eat this. I hope you really like this video. If you really like this, please subscribe to my channel and please leave your lovely comments guys. So please try this at your home and let me know in comment. Till then, bye bye, enjoy your snacks.